Hello friends, it is almost the end of 2019. We're going into the year 2020 where it's going to be the year of effort and energy and whatever we want. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you the 12 best goals that you should accomplish in 2020. Let's get it. Number one, it's going to be the year of a side hustling year. So if you haven't yet, start a side business and get to work. Make it your goal to make at least $1,000 a month. And after that, everything's just going to snowball and you're going to be eventually be making way more than 1,000. So let's get that going. Number two, learn self-control when it comes to eating. You want to try to limit your junk food, try to eat at home, eat healthy as much as possible, and also some other self-control things that I do that I need to work on is stop spending unnecessary money on electronics you don't need. Number three, learn to grocery shop more efficiently and learn how to cook those ingredients into meals that will be less costly than eating out. You'll eat much more healthier and you'll save more money. Number four is set all your bills on auto pay so you don't miss a payment. That could eventually ruin your credit. I have 20 credit cards that are all on auto pay so I don't miss a payment. And along with those 20 credit cards is also a good credit score. So we'll probably save that video for another time. Number four would be to start investing in the stock market because they provide the highest return, potentially the highest returns. And over the long term, no other type of investments can beat this stock market. There will be links below to show you how to get some free stocks. Number six would be to start a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. If you already have one, you should try to max it out. If you already did max it out, you should convince people that you know, people that you love to start one because we should all get ahead. And by the time we get old, we'll be there. Number seven would be to donate to charity. And no, not some girl that you know named Charity, but when you do donate, it doesn't have to be money. It can be clothing or anything else that you don't use anymore. So let's give to others. Number eight would be to make a budget and stick to it because why not? You're capable to do it. Number nine would be to start a new language. You want to learn a new language so you can talk smack to others in their face without them knowing. Number 10 is to travel more. You want to connect with others and learn a thing or two about other people's cultures. I'm going to try to go back home next year and maybe even island hop, go to an island I haven't been to, like maybe Molokai or something. I'm also going to go to some other states in the United States, such as some states up in the Pacific Northwest and East Coast. Number 11 would be to try something new, such as start a YouTube channel. As you can see what I've been trying to do. So I've gotten a head start on my 2020 goal. My plan is to document much of my life as possible because my youth is slowly fading away, as you can't really tell because I am a good-looking Asian, sorta, not really. And number 12, which is going to be my favorite one out of all, would be to put in more energy and effort into everything you do compared to what you did last year or the year before. People can really feel your vibes, and you owe it to those around you to be yourself. You're not really yourself when you're not energetic, to be honest. So get energetic, people. So that's going to be the top 12 goals I have for you to accomplish next year. If you have any other goals that you want to accomplish or that you think I need to accomplish with this YouTube channel, please provide them in the comments below. For those of you that are still watching this, please, please, please like, comment, subscribe. Help a Filipino brother out. From Hawaii. If you know me, if you happen to stumble upon this video, please leave a comment. Leave something funny. Laugh out loud, Michael. I can't believe you're doing this. Yeah, let's finish this year strong and start the next year even stronger.